Letter A. Sound off.
Sir, I'm the letter A. I make the long A sound. A, as in ape. A-p, ape. I also make the short A sound. A, as in apple. A-pull, apple.
You think you're pretty important, don't you, letter A?
Yes, sir. I'm one of the vowels. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. I'm also my very own word.
What do you mean you're a word?
I mean, I'm a word. I'm called an article. I'm used with a noun to help identify the noun in general.
At ease, letter A. I didn't ask you for your life story. I asked you what sounds you make, and you start going on about being an article and identifying generals and all that stuff. If I gave grades for being a blabbermouth, you know what I'd give you?
No, sir.
I'd give you an A+, letter A. Now fall in.
Yes, sir.